Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another couple of trades for December the 10th. I did the pound Aussie. If you check on the YouTube, I did that one. I sold the pound Aussie for prior, this pound Aussie right here. I sold it as it was going down. And I mentioned, if you watch the video, the London close, you can switch it back over to the, I can open up this chart here. I even said, I closed the trade right here, and I said if I get a signal using the Bollinger Bands, I'm going to take the trade for the London close. So I got in right here, approximately. Did go against me, came close, 16 pips. I think that's where I got in. But anyhow, it's I'm up right now 25 pips. This is just a default 40 pip target. I can adjust that, but if it hits the 40 pips, that's good enough. I'll be happy with that. I'm up over 33, around 3,400 at the moment, down at the bottom. You could have done any of the pound pairs. They all did the same thing. But I went with the pound Aussie and the pound New Zealand. Take a look at the pound New Zealand, same idea here. Where did I get in the pound New Zealand? About 1130. See where that is, 1130. It's over here, right here actually. Got in with a 20 pip stop. It only went 6 pips against me. There's my 20 pip stop. And I'm up 22 pips right now. And there's a 40 pip target. Well, not target, but just my auto stop. If you remember, have the auto stop. It's set at default. Stop loss 20, profit is 40. You can change that, by the way, but that's good enough as far as I'm concerned. So anyhow, this is just, I'm not going to be in the trade much longer, to be honest with you. It's lunchtime. I have to, going out to a store, got to pick up a couple of things for Christmas. So anyhow, for a couple hours work, came to the computer just after 10, and I grabbed it on the way down, actually on the pound Aussie, this pair here. So about 2 hours, 11, 12, maybe 2.5 hours, something like that. Let's see what I'm up at the moment. I got in on the pound Aussie, same thing, 1130, which is right here, default 20, and I'm up right now 28. As long as it's going up, I'm going to hang around a little bit. So either it'll hit the 40, or I'll just, now I'm officially within 10 pips of the of both of them actually. When it blinks green down here, for you traders who don't know that, when it blinks, it means you're within 10 pips of your take profit. Over 4,000 at the moment, and this morning I made about 2,000 earlier. So that's over 6,000 for today. I definitely would call today a really good day of trading. I can officially take some time off. Looks like might even hit it, so just a waiting game now to see if it's going to hit, or maybe I'll just manually close if I get close enough. Anyhow, I'll put this on pause and report back shortly. Forex Nelson is back, and I closed the trade as I started to see some little bit of red coming in on both of them. This one right here coming down, and I was very happy with the totals. Now, to recap what I did earlier, and you can watch the video, but it's right on this one right here. I sold after I saw this long candle, and I do have Bollinger Bands on now, trying to pick the bottom for the London close to go back up. So I sold it right where this cursor is right here, and I closed it out right here. I ended up with 28 pips. You can go watch that live trade. And then I even said I'm going to apply the Bollinger Bands, London close, and I'm going to take the trade when I got a signal. So my signal were on these two blue bars right here. So let's see. The only little mistake I made was I should have got in on these two wicks, but I pulled the trigger here because I knew it was going to go back up at least to the center line and or the blue line moving average. So on the pound Aussie, I got in right here at this cursor, approximately, as you can see, around 11:30 New York time, and I just closed it out now with 34 pips here. So it almost hit my 40 pip target up here. I decided to close it as I have to do some errands, and I'm very, very happy with the totals. Today was a good trading day. I could actually, in theory, take the rest of the week off. But anyhow, on the pound New Zealand here now, I took the trade again. I did both of them at the same time. Right where this cursor is, right at 11:30 New York time. There's my 20 pip stop, and it did hit my target. 40 pips there, 40 pips there. So I got my 40 pips on the pound New Zealand right here, showing in green here. It hit my target. So for a grand total of those three trades, for about 2.5 hours work or thereabouts, it's over $7,100. Do some quick math there. So I'm very happy with that. And I did follow the pip trigger rules, exactly what I said. The Bollinger Bands is great for trying to trade the London close. You get the signal, you take the trade, and you're aiming for the center line here, and or more. Whatever you can get, whatever the market will give you, that's the way it works. And I do teach that in great detail, exactly how to trade the London close, how to trade the Bollinger Bands. So anyhow, today was a great day trading. As you can see, it's continuing up, but I knew that I had to do this video and I got to put it up on YouTube, plus I wanted to go shopping and take care of a few errands. So anyhow, if you look right below this video, you will see a write-up as similar to this, plus more with regards to the Pip Trigger full package. Now, if you want the package, you can get in touch with me, obviously. You can call me directly, or you can email me if you live too far. And I do prefer Skype and screen sharing through Skype, and with that I can give you some more tips and tricks and answer your Forex questions. Now this package is quite complete. It's like 342 videos and it's over 17 gigabytes. I do give 12 versions of my pip trigger. You buy one and basically I give you 12. One of them you're bound to be happy with. And this equals to just $20 a system, so it's pretty cheap. Makes it the best deal on the internet at the moment, as far as I believe. I do give a lot of PDF books for you traders who like to read, along with a lot of Word documents. And don't forget the $1 Million Trade Plans, one for Forex and one for futures, where you can start with $1,000 and in less than a year convert that into $1 million. And keep in mind that you only need one trade a day with 10 pips. So if I was able to pull this trick, I'll be able to take off, the rest of the week. Because you only need one trade each day, 20 trades a month, and only need 10 pips to make this $1 Million Trade Plan work. And I do give you that copy of exactly how to do that. Trading the Forex market is not an easy thing to do. Took me 8 years to figure it out, and I wish I had somebody presenting this offer 14 years ago. I would have saved a lot of money and a lot of headaches and a lot of years. But I do teach many ways to trade, which is critically important. You know, there's many ways to trade, and you can put this on pause and look at all the different ways that I teach. And keep in mind, if you not always aware, that anybody who buys my full package, PIP Trigger, I give as a bonus 1,000 systems from my computer. I bought 1,200 of them over the past 14 years, and I went through, took me 2 weeks, about 80 hours to go through everything and pull it out and make a nice neat package for you. And it is 1,000. I can show you the systems along with 21 Forex courses here in Word document. These are full courses, teaches you exactly how to trade each and every one of these courses. You can put it on pause and read that if you want. And of course, the main one that I think is has extreme high value. It's 1,000 out of my 1,200 systems. There's 1,200 of them within here. Let's see if I can scroll through these. Each and every one of them, just watch the video. Each and every one of them has training on it in the form of either a Word document or training videos and PDF books. So it just goes on and on. There's 1,000 of them in here, and many of them come with the source files, which will allow you to make the indicator work more efficiently if you know how to do that. Now normally I just sell this for $100, and I'm trying to help traders to succeed, and certainly you will go through many systems before you find success. I highly recommend the PIP Trigger, one of them. Spend at least 6 months on it, and if you so desire after that, you can go through these and find something else you might have some interest in. And by the way, I tested some of these out, a lot of them, and they work. I found success with them. So keep in mind that I'm having that as a Christmas holiday bonus. If you buy the full package, I'll give you those systems for free. So anyhow, if you're interested, get in touch with me. And I gotta wrap up this video. So if you have any questions on anything that I discussed within this video, please just contact with me. And if you're speaking about this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, until the next video and trade, good luck with your trading.